gonna show you what ingredient we need. Thai sticky rice, sugar, you can use brown or white, doesn't matter, salt, and unsweetened coconut milk, and the last mango. For optional, you can use mung bean. Alright, let's start it. First, we need 1.5 cup of sticky rice. We soak it in the water. We wash it in the several times until the water it clears. We're gonna get the like this, and we let it stay for overnight. Here it is. We got overnight sticky rice, and I need to drain it. We're gonna take all that in there. Okay, let's drain it. Pretty good enough, and then I'm gonna add it in the rice cooker. And I add 1.5 cup of water in it. Let the water soak in the rice. And we're gonna let it cook for 30 minutes. While we're waiting for the rice cook, we're gonna make some coconut sauce. Let's do it. Alright, while we're waiting for the rice cooking, we're gonna make the coconut sauce that we serve with sticky rice. First of all, I'm gonna start with coconut milk. That I add some flour to make it more creamy. Alright, I add it in the pan. And then let's get all of it. And what I need next is I need 3 tablespoons of sugar. Or you can add more as much as you want. If you want more sweet, you can add more. But let's see. And I need to add 2 teaspoons of salt. For the heat, you keep it lower. Don't let it boil. And then you keep stirring it until all the mixture mix up. Yeah, you have to make sure that like the heat is not too hot. Because if it's too hot, it's gonna boil your coconut sauce. In the pan. We're gonna drain it out later. Yeah, this leaf is just like makes smell so good. Some people don't use it, but like my way, I just like to add it to make it more smell good. That's it. Alright, after we get the sticky rice cooked and we have a coconut sauce, we're gonna add coconut milk or whatever you call coconut sauce in the bowl with sticky rice. Mix it up, and let's let it soak for 30 minutes. Waiting for sticky rice soak in the coconut sauce, I'm gonna show you how can we cut mango in Thai way. You have to make sure that you don't push too heavy. You cut at the edge. And we chop like that. It's ready to be served. And yeah, I think it's ready after we left for 30 minutes and then we this. With mango, and I'm gonna serve with coconut sauce. You add the coconut sauce on the top of sticky rice, and for more optional, you can add mung bean if you like it. For my way, I like it, so I'm gonna add this on the top. The way how can you cook the mung bean? You just add it in a pan and fry it for like 2 or 3 minutes. Or the easy way, you can add it in the microwave for 1 minute. Alright, I hope you liked my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!